Good morning, everybody. It's Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is Friday, May the 17th, and we'll take a look at the markets. We'll start off by looking at oil. This is the West Texas oil, and you can see here that the price is trying to get back above the 50-week moving average. Now, we are bullish above a rising 50-week moving average, and that is what the green line indicates today. So keep an eye on that, see if we get above it. The daily chart looks not so bullish. We're below the declining 200-day moving average, which is always a concern. Nothing good is expected below a declining 200-day moving average. Bitcoin's back above 67,000 US today. It's above the magical 50-week moving average, 50-day moving average, and making new highs. It's looking good. Maybe we'll test that $70,000 range again. We'll put it on the arithmetic chart here just to give a little different perspective. Corn has been rejected from the 50-week moving average here, and we're getting a pullback, and we can see that with more wiggles and squiggles on the daily chart. We can see that in this case, it's the purple 200-day moving average, which the price is now broken below. So we'll see what happens when we get down to this 440 level, 445, and see if the 50-day moving average brings in buyers. Chicago wheat, CBOT wheat. Same thing here. We've got a pullback this week here since the run up. Must have been on Friday, Monday, can't remember anymore, but the pullback is happening. We can see, we'll see what happens when it gets down to that 645, 647 level, maybe another 10 cents, and hopefully buyers step in there also. The weekly chart does not look as bullish because we are below the 200-week moving average, which is always a concern. Kansas City wheat here, take a look at this. This is the weekly chart, clean things up a bit. You can see the 50-week moving average as acting as resistance, bringing in the buyers. There's a nasty weekly candle being formed here. So usually signs of a pullback. Look on the daily chart here. You can see the more wiggles and squiggles. We're above the 200-day moving average, which is purple. And signs for optimism. Let's just try to find some charts on spring wheat here. Minneapolis Wheat, this is the July contract, and we can see here the price has been pulling back and is now below the 200-day moving average and looks like it wants to test the blue 20-day moving average. We'll see if that acts as support or not. Canola, July canola. It looks bullish to me. It's back trying to get above the pink 10-day moving average. 670 has acted as resistance. We'll see if that continues in the future. But other than that, things are kind of feeling really good on the canola side. November canola, we're getting rejected from the 200-day moving average there, and which is purple. But I do think this setup offers potential. So let's see what happens in the coming weeks. We zoom in a little closer here. Is this a head and shoulders pattern? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder? If so, we can see maybe 630, a pull back down to this level. These other levels around that 640, 630 level. We get down that low, all of a sudden we are potentially making new lows, and the downtrend will continue. So keep an eye on canola in the next few days, and we'll see if we can shed some light and get you ahead of any drastic moves. Check us out on Klarenbach.ca. We publish the Klarenbach Grain Report and the Klarenbach Special Crops Report. We love having conversations about the market. We look forward to talking to you in the future. Have a great day.